Good morning, children. Today, let us discuss the probability of playing cards. In the last video, we discussed about the probability of dice and the probability of coin. Today, we will be discussing the probability of getting head, queen, ace, etc. from all 52 cards. Different sums we will be discussing in this video. There are 52 cards in a pack. These 52 cards are divided into 4 suits, namely spades, hearts, diamonds and clubs. As seen over here, you can observe spades and clubs are black in color and hearts and diamonds are red in color. This you should remember very nicely. Spades and clubs are black in color and hearts and diamonds are red in color. These 4 suits are having 13 cards in each as shown below. Here the spade is having 13 cards, heart is having 13 cards, diamond is having 13 cards and club is having 13 cards. These 13 cards are named as king, queen, jack, ace and 2 to 10 number cards. So in each suit you are able to observe there are 13 cards over here. This king, queen and jack you call it as face card. So how many face cards are there in each suit? There are 3 face cards are there in each suit. So totally there are 12 face cards in a pack of 52 cards, and there are 2 to 10 number cards also in each suit and 1 ace in each suit. On total there are 4 aces in a pack of 52 cards. So these cards are shown it clearly over here. You can see in the figure. King, queen and jack are called face cards. So how many face cards are there? There are 12 face cards. You can see over here. This is the suit of heart. In a heart you are able to see 2 to 10 number cards are there and 1 jack, queen, king and ace. These king, queen and jack you call it as face cards. So how many face cards are there? You can count it over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you are having totally 12 face cards over here. And how many aces are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 aces in a total of 52 cards over here. So this is a row representing heart containing 13 cards over here, and this is diamond containing 13 cards, and this is clubs containing 13 cards, and this is spade containing 13 cards, and these 2 to 10 are the number cards. So I mentioned it clearly over here. 2 to 10 represent numbers and jack, queen and king represents the face cards and A denote the aces. There are 4 aces over here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now let us discuss some questions based on the given table. A card is chosen at random from an ordinary deck of playing cards. What is the probability of getting a diamond? Now you see the diamond row. How many diamond cards are over here? There are 13 diamond cards. Out of 52 cards, there are 13 diamond cards. So my probability will be 13 upon 52. Next, coming to the probability of a king. So how many kings are there? You are able to observe in the table 1, 2, 3, 4. So my answer will be 4 upon 52, which is equal to 1 upon 13. Next is a black 4. So move on to the black color cards. How many 4s are there in a black color card? 2 4s are there. So my answer will be 2 upon 52, which is equal to 1 upon 26. Next, a 7 of hearts. Move to the heart column. Here I need only the number 7. So only one time the 7 is there. So my answer will be 1 upon the total number of cards, which is 52. Next, drawing a heart. How many hearts are there? 13 hearts are there. So my answer will be 13 upon 52, which is equal to 1 upon 4. Now moving on to the next question. A card is drawn at random from a pack of 52 playing cards. Find the probability of the card drawn is neither a king nor a jack. That means out of these 52 cards, I should not have any king, any jack. So let me find how many kings and jacks are there. So totally 4 kings are there and 4 jacks are there. So 4 plus 4 is 8. So out of these 52 cards, I have to subtract 8 cards. So 52 minus 8 is 44. So which is nothing but 44 upon 52, that is equal to 11 upon 13. Next, moving on to the next question. Find from a standard pack of 52 cards, a card is selected at random and it should be a red queen. So move on to the queen column, red column, and find out how many queens are there. There are 2 queens are there. So my answer will be 2 upon 52, that is equal to 1 upon 26. So in this way, if you are having this table in front of you, if you are going to make this table in the rough column, it's easy to answer any type of questions. Now next question, one more important question. One card is drawn at random. Calculate the probability the card will be an ace. So how many aces are there? You can see in the table how many aces are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So my answer will be 4 upon 52, which is equal to 1 upon 13. Next part you can understand it clearly. Not be an ace. That is, it should not be an ace. So from 52 I am going to subtract these 4 aces. So I will be getting 12. So my answer will be 48 upon 52, which is nothing but 12 upon 13. So when I subtract 4 cards from 52, I will be getting 48. That is 48 upon 52, or if you are going to reduce to lowest term, it will be 12 upon 13. This can be done in other way also. You know the formula that probability of not an event is equal to 1 minus probability of an event occurred. So probability of a not an ace will be equal to 1 minus 1 upon 13, which is equal to 12 upon 13. So even you can use this formula and find out the answer for not an ace. Next one, 5 cards are given. Here only the 5 cards are given. One is 10 number, second one is jack, queen, king and ace of diamonds. Out of these 5 cards, you have to find the probability of drawing the card is queen. So out of these 5 cards, how many queens are there? Only 1 queen is there. So my probability will be 1 upon 5. Now look at the next question carefully. If this queen drawn is put aside, now I am taking out a queen, I have taken it out and kept it aside. I am going to do the probability from the remaining 4 cards. So from the remaining 4 cards, I have to see the probability of an ace. So out of these 4 cards, ace is there only for 1 time. So my probability will be 1 upon 4. Again see the next part. You want to draw the queen again. Is there any queen from these 4 cards, that is from 10, jack, king and ace? Is there any queen? No. So the event is impossible, or I can write it is 0 upon 4 or equal to 0. So in this way you have to understand the question carefully, and also this table if you are going to draw, it will be very useful to answer any type of questions over here.